Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Crimson Desert black screen on startup issue. If the game opens but only shows a black screen, follow these steps one by one. First, update your graphics card driver. Go to the official website of your GPU, like NVIDIA or AMD. Search for your exact graphics card model and download the latest driver. Install it and restart your computer. This helps fix many display problems. Next, turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Open the Windows search bar and type graphics settings. Open it. Then go to advanced graphics settings. Find hardware accelerated GPU scheduling and turn it off. Restart your PC after this change. Now, verify the game files in Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Crimson Desert and select Properties. Go to Install Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for it to complete. After that, disable overlays. Turn off overlays from apps like Discord, NVIDIA, or AMD Adrenalin. These can cause conflicts and lead to a black screen. If you can hear the game but only see a black screen with a compass, open the game settings. Turn off DLSS or switch to another upscaler. This usually fixes the issue. Try launching the game again after each step to check if the problem is solved. Thanks for watching.